Brown.
Miss Brown. Miss Brown. Brown.
What me couldn't run a one so?
Ishmael get shot.
Ishmael what?
Ishmael get shot.
Jesus Christ.
Miss Brown. Miss Brown. Miss Brown. Miss Brown. Jesus, my God.
Come on, guys, ready.
Good evening.
Good evening, Officer Awagwan.
Do you know about the incident that occurred with Ishmael Brown?
Oh, yes, sir. Two you shoot him, one name from.
You chat too much.
Okay, thanks. By the way, do you know where Howard Smith lives?
Right, that's the officer.
Okay, thanks. Have a good evening.
Yes, sir.
You see the man get shot, him gonna rest.
And that me notice, you know. Go
Yeah.
sleep.
Yeah, brother.
Good morning, sir. My name is Officer Kumbukius.
Officer, not show me house. Can't in a blue and white. Yes, on the station.
Look for someone near Power Smith.
But Jesus, you see there's somebody. We select people with town police. Him no have no sense, you know. Yeah, him no see say, no one ya hear ya. Yeah, look man is now. Him pass car and shot them out the road. And I me come and ask me power. Me have little grandma's one. You want some too?
You know, I have a gun somewhere near Power.
Officer, you have to know who you look for before you come ask the people. You see next time, you have to say, we done said power there. You want to see him though? Look how you call people. Done said power! Power the house! No! Power! No, him there. He not hear me. Hey, look up this tail boy. Look how long me a call you. Hurry up and come out of some man. Officer, you see him? Look like him don't know hey from bull here. Say my heart is something, and him don't know how my hands hide. The officer come to you. Officer come to you. See me?
Come to the door. Yes, officer, we ask and hurry up and talk quick.
You are friends with Frost?
No, officer, I don't even know him, so.
I mean, my shooting was going on last week.
Yeah, I asked about shooting, officer, I don't know nothing about that.
You all in the same class?
Yeah, but I'm not talk to you, that officer.
Okay, thank you for the information.
You know, say someone who no, not ready for the road. Ah, you say someone who no, real menke. Move right front of me, go where you go.
Long time to ever send me back to my mother.
No, you can't go your mother. You know where you want to go. Not even Jamal can help you. You know, so me go call Bellevue. Me have to call Bellevue for you, because you're mad. You don't have no head. You know, some people, when I say in Jamaica, say, you lick your chip. Guess what I'm going? You don't have no chip at all. You never install none.
That's sharing. You get one and a half, you get one and a half, and me get two. That's a five. Yeah, eat that.
Get beat up where?
You get
See how me beat up the two of them.
oh, you get power.
Hey, green and
Power from new food.
Are you the one beside
beat
up?
I saw we are go.
people know which part school there.
Good morning.
Morning.
Miss Moss long number.
No, go. You know the routine already. You know the routine already. You nastiness out here. Come in.
You're too tired.
The taller people ain't got the back. When you come up at the front.
Me tall, me.
Come up at the front.
Me can't go see.
When me say come up at the front, that's the thing. Me can't see around there, so come up at the front. Go sit down here.
Oh, same there.
Bro, there's a
Corona
Corona, man.
man.
Go on, go sit down.
Corona man, go on in your class, no man, you are most of slow dog.
You push me down?
Young man, I beg you left me fan alone. You never bring no back
You
fan.
want not even blow no strong breeze for people
It
getting
don't really matter.
So you are going to get from way over there, so. How are that on the board?
You don't want to do this already.
Alright,
Words you should know.
Devotion. Little reverence to God.
Amen.
Come, stand.
Yeah, Christian?
You know where yourself go. Alright, stand for me. Make we have devotion. Little reverence to God.
Amen.
Come, stand.
Yeah, Christian?
You know where yourself go that. Stand now, for me now. Enough
Stand
now,
up now,
man.
no, your woman says stand up.
As man in like you no come in here with no bag of chat to you.
This a silent, me a put it on. A silent, me a put it on. See them is a silent, me a put it on. Now style a thing, man, you see it.
Alright, stand for me.
Alright. Hold on tight friends.
Alright, give me a prayer chorus of your choice.
I don't know no song.
Eternal Father.
And a
What
prayer
that?
goes there.
Yeah, you hear this?
A pledge.
Come.
What you say?
Lord, prepare me
To be
be a
a
sanctuary.
Miss, me no know that song there.
You're
Never go to church,
holy. Just shut up
Not
your
even-
mouth.
not-
Shut up, you're
Not
not
even
have to
christen me,
sing.
no christen me.
You don't really matter, you're not have to sing.
Alright.
Clasp your hands and close your eyes.
So quick. We have lunch, break.
No, the prayer chorus.
Oh.
Come. Clasp your hands and close your eyes. Lord, prepare me
To
be a sanctuary. Pure and trash. Nobody hold it. Trying to with thanksgiving. Aye. Good side. I'll be a living.
Praise the
Sing
Lord.
now. Sanctuary.
Hallelujah.
Nobody hold it disturb.
Oh, sorry. The Holy Ghost will stick over.
Sing now.
We shall have a grandchild.
Grandchild?
No, grandchild. Miss Sam say no grandchild.
We never.
Come.
We shall have a grandchild
Up in heaven.
We shall have a grandchild up in heaven. A grandchild up in heaven. Goodbye words.
That's the one like a...
I fell in love with you. My pleasures of sin. I fell in love with you. I fell in love with you.
Like a
My
funeral song.
pleasures of sin.
A funeral song that...
I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my life. I made up my mind to go God's way the rest of my
Must
life.
break
Yeah, me
down
queen. Everybody know this.
now. And then something I have one within your
Sit
class.
down.
Eh? There are
Yo, what is
them
that
thing
bag?
there.
Yes, no.
New girl a sing and not even know so now come out her mouth.
So she's still.
Alright. So,
Chat can't too much. I will pull up in there.
remember we're talking about the different type of family. In the last lesson that we was start. For what?
Yes, miss.
Oh, boy. Miss Paul of Corona, no?
A lie, but we left. No, it's done. Class done. Catch Corona. You know, afraid of eagle.
So, read this seminar, please.
Words you should know.
And
You should know.
first word is what?
Farmer.
Family.
And she says, so and me, a family, me say.
Young man,
Me son and me say, she, what your name again? Alright, sir.
Come, number 2.
Extended.
Nuclear. Single.
Siblings.
Mother.
Single down.
Father, sister, brother, aunt,
Aye.
uncle. Me say I
I don't
too long
mean
to touch your word.
A phone no class?
You're too
Them
slow.
bright, man, them bright.
So what you gonna do for me? Una go write them down in a book.
Everything
Study
gonna
them. So when you come next week, una go get spellings.
But miss, somebody not you look good though, miss. Never know say I want tattoo and anything there.
You come to school if you watch me out or you come
I don't
play
know government
fetch.
work. There's something right, you know.
Yeah,
A private school, you go.
yeah, I must.
Hurry up quickly because I have a meeting in the next
This
week.
one,
Yes,
we don't-
Jesus.
School are over early
we don't
today.
afraid, don't give me a
I
chance
start
to
meeting, miss.
Thank you,
Parents,
Lord.
But
Thank you,
Teachers
Lord.
meeting.
So, miss.
He says he didn't want a bad man from me up, and I have right, I'm going to spell them there.
We not when bad man family come in at this
That's
now.
to show you, say, you told me know them
You have
good.
bad
You
mind
can't-
mother, bad mind father, bad mind sister, bad mind brother.
All in goat bad man. Everybody.
That not sound good.
Miss, tell him, ask him if he have a mask.
What happened
Miss,
to
we
you?
can't see.
He not have a mask. Give him something to put over him.
Me say no, so me not like how you say. Every time
How
when you
much time
study,
you
come
got
like
shot and just right
Me
after?
work them now for
We
long
have to wait
time.
one bun you
Me I go take out my
And you not
book.
make
But
them introduce
Miss,
themselves.
miss,
But what?
miss.
Me
Me
not-
I
I'm
go
not
take
gonna
out my
finish
book
tomorrow
them
when
out
they
of my
come
bag
in,
and
me
make power
5
put it over
minutes
him head,
after.
miss. Because you have corona in my car.
Miss, me
Say
done.
that right.
You have them the lock.
Miss,
Yo.
me done.
You not right. You ask me if I'm right and you not right. You're not writing.
Living I see a mouse dog just right here for me.
So that girl you right fast?
Me done, miss.
You must see
very done.
You see me? Yeah, man,
Miss, you
just
see me
right
done?
after
I'm sure you
everything.
see me done.
Yeah, can
See
you
them
get
there?
me?
Power.
Miss.
How much time you gonna tell us you not walk? You not walk.
A
Come
woman
out
you come in
a
and
woman
fill up.
yes now. Come out a young
Mash up
lady
my
yes.
knees, so.
Just let me talk to you today.
Eh.
Sorry, miss.
Tomorrow morning you come back with your head stay so.
Miss a ras, me a ras dog. My father a Congo man.
Who you call dog?
Oh,
Yo, we didn't even know
Who you call dog?
sorry, miss. Sorry.
Miss,
You say
me
picture?
finish. Miss, me done, miss. We can't
Miss,
come
you
out
too
now.
broad, miss. You
Can't
a
come
black
out, miss.
board, miss.
It's
Sit
a girl
down in
right
your
off,
chair.
man.
Me write it
Yeah,
up and
right
me
up.
say a general
Right up,
conference a dumber.
Big fire, piggy.
You jealous of me
Right up,
for it?
man. You feel jealous of big
Right on
fire.
time.
Top draw
You
them
see, I learn
socks.
something there.
You draw
I
them
think my mother
socks.
have me for you come beat it up. Hey, no, you do, you know, just
Remember
wait
to
till
them
school
beat
work.
you.
No, you just know where you do.
Stop talking.
And that's why they beat you.
Wanna stop in nice now?
So,
And just
actually, me not touch him like a
yeah,
living.
yeah.
Don't touch me.
More touch me, for.
So, miss,
Yes.
as for
You
your dirt,
touch now, make me ears
Ah,
them
damn.
cross.
miss, I be a dirty style you go on with, you know, because every time new people forward in our class, you need to want
And that's your problem.
There's a new girl in our place, miss.
Hey, Maga, face my youth.
What class? Come to think of it. Me not see him, Ishmael.
Ishmael dead.
What do you mean Ishmael dead?
Me say what we hear.
Me still don't believe that.
You're saying get shot down.
So,
Um,
Yeah,
Listen,
me
chill
just-
out with it, did so anything what we say, listen to it.
Yes,
Ishmael
yes.
gets shot.
Me did that.
yeah, but you're not saying dead.
He's not dead yet.
What? I said,
Yeah.
well,
And
one
so
the
you
man
were
dead.
No, I'm a
And your
boyfriend.
man?
Yeah.
So you
No, I
talk
didn't.
about dead.
I didn't hear me
Oh,
say-
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Who are you?
I'm the officer Pimple Face.
Officer what?
Simple
Pimple
face.
Face.
Pimple.
Yeah.
Okay.
How may I help you this morning?
I have a few questions.
A foreign
Una
police.
have man little
Alright. Make me have the commanders.
Hi.
What's
I
up?
love man. I love man.
So you know what happened to Ishmael?
No, me just ask him what team me not see him this morning.
Get shot, officer. You get shot.
Seeing girlfriend,
Officer,
asking girlfriend.
Hey, me not see one if you stop in eyes in
No,
here.
no, what did that wrong turn?
Okay, did Frosty lose good today?
No, come to think of it, I don't see him. What happened?
We suspect that Frosty's the one that shot Ishmael.
So, him dead or what? What happened?
I'm not sure.
The officer investigate M3.
No, you're not investigating me.
Then the left on the scene, you know.
Which
Three
three?
of
1, 2, 3?
One, two,
Seeing
three.
girlfriend,
Then
check
if you tell the
girlfriend.
officer what happened.
Cut me out.
Then if you tell the officer what happened.
Cut me out.
Later when me have a
Officer, anything you say, go yeah?
Wait, what?
Ain't dead.
Yes, you're not yet.
But not yet.
That makes no sense.
Officer, you know you need to carry
she
she especially down a station cause be a fat she a
No
try
man,
she
he
know
close
something.
too big, he might get too much breeze.
You don't see him this morning.
Man get
Can
shot,
tell you.
officer. Man get shot.
Seeing girlfriend,
Officer,
asking girlfriend.
Hey, me not say want to stop in eyes in here.
No, I did that wrong turn.
Okay, did Frosty lose good today?
No, come to think of it, me not see him.
Let's see.
What happened?
We suspect that Frosty's the one that shot Ishmael.
So, him dead or what? What
I'm
happened?
not sure.
That's how we tell her.
No, we never want
See,
to talk
I
a while ago,
something
so me I
What
got
was
me
that
find out now.
Alright, that
I'll
was.
call him man hard.
Yeah, so what's gonna happen now?
We're gonna have to track down Frost and take him in for question.
Officer,
Tell the man what happened now, cause he had what shot. Like you look man.
Okay.
Tell the officer what happened.
Time where
Please take this serious and stop now.
that's how your friend
Is this
is
serious
save
matter?
for so much money.
I will eat me have.
Tell the officer no.
We are wait.
Sure.
No, me alone did it.
Yes.
Talk, see woman there.
With Ishmael, I will see
Move on,
Ishmael
bless
and they will go place her now. The
And-
man come out of the bush and
Ah,
shot him.
Who's the man? So you see man face.
No,
Jesus.
One evening.
One evening, but
One
after
evening.
5.
Yeah, about that picture.
After 5, sir.
Okay.
The man asked you that one evening, which day?
He asked me.
Which
So
day?
we give
It was a school day.
Which day? Which
Which
day?
day?
Monday, Tuesday,
Specifically.
Wednesday. Which day?
Tuesday.
I'm gonna ask.
Yeah.
I want next time you do your man, but a something.
How about the facial?
We never see Kanye.
When I like to roast your man tough.
You feel like you threaten them and that's why they not get right description.
Oh, yeah, right. Something.
No, they're not trying to make me they shoot him
The
around.
one
we-
So we not see-
him
let
a
me
say no
talk.
sound bad, but them a be a fault him a
officer,
chat round.
We and Ishmael go somewhere. No, we gonna meet up with Ishmael. And we see.
Stop this.
Oh, shut your
Stop.
mouth. Just shut up.
Jamal with there.
Most Jamal can't
How long
hear
we not go continue? Me telling you, say me have a meeting in the next
Yeah,
5
yeah,
minutes.
Mr.
You know.
I'm gonna work with that, yeah?
Yo, officer,
And then
one by
shot
one,
him
ask him
and
questions.
run. And when they shot him and run,
Yeah.
we go check for him and say he never dead and he
Yes.
end up going hospital.
So did anyone of you stay with him while you check?
No.
You run with him. No damn fool.
That's what we fi do. And shot a bus. Me not ready fi dead.
And friend like you, me no want.
Me not take a shot for
Yes,
nobody.
officer, anything else?
Friend like you, me no want.
So tell me,
But we look
when this happened,
Something nice, I'm gonna listen to
Why
you.
you there?
Them afraid for dead. Yeah, a good fear man, cause you
I
want.
would wear Ishmael.
how much men were involved with the shooting?
2.
Okay, do you have any description?
One Rasta one.
So you saying about
I want twist
No,
up.
no, two marina man.
Yeah.
Then they are two marina. What them man?
say the man no can
I
have
don't think
marina.
They in a 2 marina.
Anybody-
Marina.
Just here we are now.
Let me tell you. Then they in a two marina, one white and one supposed to purple. The marina man.
Yeah.
Then
Then
they
they
are
are
two
one
marina.
white one
What
and a
them
pink
man?
one.
Say the man no can
Some
have
pink
marina.
and
They in
purple.
a 2 marina.
Anybody
Yeah.
got them
Oh, just here we are now.
Let me tell you. Then they in a two marina, one white and one supposed to purple. The shorts ones I think are jeans, one a white and jeans, and one a white and pretty shorts. And one of them here Rasta.
Yeah.
I want next time you do your man, but or something.
So how about the facial? Do you
We
know?
never see Kanye.
One of them just rusty and one tough.
Oh,
You feel like you threaten them and that's why they not get right description.
Oh, yeah, right.
This-
Something.
No, they're not trying to make
Officer,
they shoot him
The
and
one
run.
where
So we
him
just
where
see-
him a
let
say
me
no
talk.
sound bad, but them a be a fault him a
Officer,
chat round
we
this.
and Ishmael go somewhere. No, we gonna meet up with Ishmael.
okay.
And we see
Talk decent.
Oh, shut your
Talk
mouth.
decent.
Just shut up,
I
man.
don't know how you make him man understand.
So he said, you say that look like you understand.
You see your blouse so big.
You just shut up.
Jamal with there.
Most Jamal got
Oh,
ear
I'm
better.
gonna go continue. Me tell you, say me have a meeting in the next
Yeah,
5
yeah,
minutes.
Mr. Man, I go work with that, yeah?
So, officer,
And then
one by
shot
one,
him
ask him
and
question.
run. And when they shot him and run, we go check for him and say he never did. And then he got end up in the hospital.
So did anyone of you stay with him while you check?
No.
I'm gonna left him. I'm a damn fool.
Then what if you do? And shot a bus. Me not ready for dead.
Our friend like you, me no want.
Me not take a shot for
Yes,
nobody.
officer, anything else?
Friend like you, me no want.
So tell me
But we look
when this happened.
Nice, I'm a minister to
Why
you.
you're the officer?
Tell me when this happened and estimated time.
Okay.
Jesus. Max
One
class.
evening.
One evening, but
One
after
evening.
5.
Yeah, about that picture.
After 5, sir.
The man asked you that one evening, which day?
He asked me.
Which
So we
day?
give
It was a school day.
That's what you said?
Which day? Which
Which
day?
day?
Monday, Tuesday,
Specifically.
Wednesday. Which day?
Tuesday.
I'm gonna ask.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. So Tuesday evening.
After 5 in
After
our
five.
evening, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yo, I wrong officer then send the officer.
Go on, go on, officer, go.
Anything
One
else?
People them wicked.
Anything else? Officer Pimper Face?
I need
Man,
to make a
come on.
space up.
Love too much, man. I tell Ishmael. Man name.
Yeah, man, because your mom must boss. Anything else?
Yo, I wrong officer then send the officer.
Go on, officer, go.
Anything else?
People them wicked.
Anything else? Officer
I need to make a
Come on.
space up.
Love too much, man. I tell Ishmael. Man name.
Yeah, man, because your mom must boss.
Alright, stand for
So
me.
miss we don't
Yeah,
know.
better man and girl like a better description.
One meeting.
You
She
know.
never did it.
And she never did
You
that.
come now, man. Me have one meeting, you know.
We have one meeting, Greenhead.
Kaya, me did that chat.
Yes,
No.
yes, that's so much nice.
Tash,
In lovely people.
stop. Me have one meeting. Come. Say your evening.
Me say I feel up my bottom.
Clasp your hands and close your eyes.
Look on now.
Me say see all bad what them a cuss all in
Oh,
class.
me can't say it I don't come out.
You go wait.
But if them are
Clasp
play.
your hands and close your eyes now. Turn up and look for me. Come.
School is over for today. Done our work and done our play. Before we go, we come to say thank you, Heavenly Father.
Amen.
What kind of something?
What's that
Now
girl I'm a
discuss.
conquer though?
Yes.
Come out. Come out.
Detention, you know, have one
That's
gap.
it,
You know,
me.
lock them up in a yaso, no? Lock them up in a
Oh, no,
yaso,
come
no?
out.
Lock them
Oh,
up in
no,
a yaso,
come
no?
out of the class. Come on.
Come on
No,
now.
you're not. Look where you
Oh, no, come on now. Draw.
No discuss.
No, John.
No, you make an idea, so. No, glass on my breaks, and I have to come back at this. I'm tired.
Are you are service with me?
You never want to come here from morning power, so go on.
You know, say one brat now go nothing, dog. I walk on that.
Yeah, man, yeah, I'm bored, man. Dog, man, move out later, you know, dog.
Oh, me don't want somebody to go watch ya. Me don't want somebody to go watch ya. Big shot.
You say, me eat processed man in deserted bed.
Girl, I hear man, shut up. Yeah, you make your man kill the poor boy.
You don't left me alone. You're not too disgusting.
Ishmael. Ishmael. Ish.
Ishmael.
Hi, Ishmael. Good evening, Miss Brown.
Evening.
Ishmael.
Hello, him can't take no rough treatment.
So Ishmael and I go to school.
No, I'm not send him back to school until after summer break.
Oh, alright.
Really,
Later,
Ishmael?
Tash and Kay and Brittany, come here, little man.
Good morning, Miss Williams.
Good morning. I heard that you guys were there when Ishmael get shot. Can you tell me what really happened?
Miss, where Ishmael walk go for shop, I will buck up in a car.
Yes, miss. And by the time I look, a two boy jump out of the bush and start shoot off a cow.
Yeah?
Yes, miss. I saw Ishmael get shot.
Wrong place at the wrong time.
Jesus Christ. Really? And that little boy don't make problem, you know?
True.
So what could I really go on?
Why? We don't know what they behind this thing about that. Go on the day.
So, you don't get into contact with nobody and tell them what you want to say?
We don't hear about nothing yet, but when police he come and still come investigate and we there talk about it. Because he did say he did have some form of suspect about the case and something. So I just did that.
That worthless boy. I see him couple of times well fast with Ishmael, you know.
He always a bad the boy.
I have a good feeling to him for true. I have a detective friend and me I go check him and make him know what I go on.
Yeah, man,
because
do
Ishmael
that.
cannot go down, so that is a promising youth. A youth with big future ahead of him.
The next
Yes, I
man.
heard about it.
True.
My God. And the other day I was talking to him, you know.
So I tell we say see you.
And me tell him say hold up him head. I'm really proud of him.
Miss Williams, just help with do what you have to do, because something is behind this.
Yes, me go deal with it seriously. You nah go so.
Alright, Miss
Alright,
Williams.
girls, take care.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright.
Know more about my shoes, you know. Ganassi, body there.
You know, shoot off a car over there and shot Ishmael. So you come and ask about him for, eh? You see about your kiss thing? You see how no young you? You see how no? As you have a disagreement, you know, gun got fit gun. And that's some simple thing on the can reason about, you know. But you see true, some who can read. And some who can read. But I don't have no reasonability. I don't have no respect for each other. Come like one no say. Respect and how to treat each other. You hear me? Tell a little boy. Me tired with the history repeat itself. I swear. You see in Jamaica, you see when you're a bad man, you get more ratings than somebody when you try to do good. You hear me? I tell you? You see a boy you walk around with gun, you better hold up your head. You see if you don't hold up your head, the man got to prison. Nah, miss you hear me? I tell you? Go on angry here and don't come back to house for.
Tanika and Britty, what happened?
Britty, how you look so?
Boy, you don't know what to say. My mother wants to me for me, Terina.
What? What?
She said me too bad, you know. I'm not hearing time she talk.
You see, that's why you need to listen to when your mother talk.
Yeah, girl, what the boyfriend do? Cause boyfriend lead it to baby.
You know what she will not talk? I'm gonna make a change, man. I'm gonna make a change.
You see, and that's why my boyfriend is my. But you see, all if me breathing at school, I World War III between me and my mother.
You know?
I'm if you tell her that's why abstinence makes sense.
Come on, Britty, come follow me.
See, first I come there.
Wait.
See that one where I go?
No, look, man.
Yeah, them.
Alright then. No, say nothing. Yes, yeah, man, I know you talk to man, you know.
If me ever tell you what your girl underneath your
Let me go. Let me go.
little boy.
Never like you. Watch it, man.
Britty, me I go get you. 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 Britty, me I go get you.
But that's asking you what.
I'm jealous because you can't sing. Yeah, this man jealous of what? You're all in jealous after this man. Oh, with the whole engine, man.
No, even though you may have fallen still, I do that. There, real manish, man. That is the side dog, right? You see me?
Come out, me name is bed. Me say me
Israel! What?
Me good.
So wait, you don't see me?
No, girl, that hear something?
I must have fly make nice with ears.
One power.
Good man. So Ishmael, we link and talk to you later. You see me?
Alright.
Right.
Smear stay far from power in my bad apple your ear.
I call them not pre-life in a Ishmael. Only thing them a do a waste time and I give beer trouble.
So true.
They cut off the fire starter them in a Ishmael. Cause if you help them, you can burn alongside with them.
Yeah, me I get all on and say, but somebody have to rise up and help them push them in the right place. Cause if we ignore them, we're gonna treat them just like the system. And who am I? Who are we to call them bad apple? Or cause we're gonna be just like the system. So everybody make mistakes. So we don't judge, you see it. So I'm gonna stop it, you know?
So I'm real Ishmael, you know, him have a big heart.
Ishmael, later see you know me, I go do me woman.
Yeah.
Bye, Ishmael.
Bye-bye. Britty, I get you.
So, can I style it? Alright, I'm doing more size up for me, dog. Right now, I'm crossing you.
Oh boy.
I know what you see him bridging me and him fight in the dog and shoot. A man come shoot off of me in the youth. Here, bridging the man come shoot off of the dog to take with girl. And all out 14 dog. I'm telling you that straightness right now, my that dog. So I'm out fear in the dog. Because I'm saying, I want to kill you if you feed me girl, kill him. And now, when they pan.
Brother.
Yeah, if you girl, pretty dog.
Pretty easy.
I try to share dog and that man, the girl man will come kill you for that. Right now, I'm not sure why. Right now, you know, I see them now, I take no check my dog right now. I'm ready for fight to them, brother. I'm telling you that, you know.
Anything, you know, I do me start off on wrong foot still. Now I'm some boy pray me and take him through anything.
The man on the spirit girl, them man, I'm afraid about this, I want to come kill him and nothing at all. I'm ready to take away them life, man.
So, did I you know, no parents or nothing to love him or want to.
Yeah, but most people know me after they choose long term, I don't know what I'm going on.
So I feel like I'm a bad man, you know.
Most people so what, boy, I tell you something, I don't think I take my lifestyle.
Yes, him show this man.
Yeah, dog, I him shoot Ishmael all the time. I want next Rasta boy. I don't know the next one still, but I'm certain say I him shoot Ishmael, isn't it?
Yeah, man, Rastafari.
Yeah, this is Rastafari from all the way. But you know, I bought them all there still.
So you know his spot?
Yeah, I know Frost spot, but I know Rasta one spot, isn't it? I know
From
which part
catch
Frost
first, man.
Anyway,
Catch Rasta,
you see
man.
Brock, you know, we see Frost, you know, call them Pop Brock Power, them, you know.
Yeah, dog, they lose it, it's dog.
No, you know, see, I see me there, I wait to see if they do that, because you tell me some one talk soon, yeah, wait. Yeah, I'm not far that, right?
I'm not lying now. Your rank look cute, bitty. Girl, go and go talk to him now.
Who, me? You not like me.
Beautiful, come here.
See him, but I'll be here.
Oh, no, we are bombing, no?
Oh, see that. See how you're growing, thick like grandmother porridge. Roll like a bar.
Me alone and nobody to talk to.
Like you do. See you roll something down. See you thick like grandmother porridge. Roll like a bar. Can't tease me later. I mean now. See you look good. You have them flavor charm. That smells so. You want to be here while I wash your hair, switches.
No, you know what I want.
Shy. See that smells so.
No, you know.
Shy.
Nice too. Dye up your hair and think I make it look so. See that second.
Then suppose we can't say the answer at the time.
Pretty, come on.
You know, say, you know, I fight against man, kid.
Alright, later.
Check me later, yeah.
Yeah, man.
See you fucking roll like English, man.
See, man.
Oh, the man, the one that goes
That one, they got the flat like
a bomb.
Dog, you know a boy around turn take woman, my youth. You know say a dead boy for dead dog. But she not even know my youth. Right now, hold more hold the boy and kill him, my youth. Yeah, dog.
Floor, you know, if shoot this man over which girl, my youth. You better keep your Glock them high up and ready for the Babylon them.
Alright, you know say 40 father, you know it though. Alright then. Drop. From school over and that, you know, we have got the boy power, you know.
So I sold 230 though.
Father man, school I see over man.
Father, look.
watch no road, you know, brother. Anytime you see them boy there, bro, stop. Yeah, make them stop, my you. You know you go.
Oh, brother, I'm out to boom my mind. Them style in the work, brother. Them style that I don't want to make a deck quick, brother. You hear me? I tell them on a yacht.
Yo! Long thing you look for, you know. For what? What me do? Man, that's the time. That's it. Brother. What me do?